What's up guys? So today we are going to look over another problem, that is middle of the linked list problem. So now given a non-empty linked list with a head node head, return a middle node of the linked list. If there are two middle nodes, return the second middle node. Okay, fine. So I think so just we need to return 3, right? That is what we need to do. Output node 3 from the list. Okay. So yeah, basically what you need to do, you need to return the middle element of the, so in this case it will be 3, so as written here in the output. Now in this case it will be 4, because they have said if it is like not in the middle, you have to send, because it is even numbers, so that is why I need to send from the second element, because these two numbers are the middle, right? But you need to send the second one, so that is why it is 4. That is why it is written, if there are two middle nodes, return the second middle node. Okay, so I want to pause here the video and code this program on your own, and I'm going to code this in Java language. Okay, let's start the code. Okay, first I'm going to create two temporary list nodes. List node current, and it will be equal to head. Okay, again list node, then this will be our returning node, so it will be again head. Now I have thought what we can do is take this current node and do multiple jumps at one time, and for the return node we will do only one jump at a time. So how do we do jumps in singular linked list? Just by calling the the object of the class of the linked list class and doing next. So for the current, for doing double jumps, we need to call current is equals to current dot next. Okay, and we need to go till current, when till current is not equal to null, or let's say end current is current dot next is not equal to null. Okay, because for current we are going to do double jumps, that is why we are taken current dot next is not equal to null. Okay, now for current we are doing double jumps, that is why we are going to do current dot next so that is why current dot current, let's say for example current is right now 1, so now current would be dot next means 2, then again next means 3, so directly our current will jump to 3, right? But for return node we are going to just call one time, so return node dot next. This means it will jump only for one time and current will be jumping for two times. So now current will be 3 but return node will be 2, so that is how it is going to continue. Now current node will be 5 and return node will be 3. We just need to return node. So it was actually a quite easy problem. So yeah, I think so that's it. So I'm just going to run just to check. Yeah, it is actually correct, so I'm just going to submit. Okay, let's go to more details. And so they don't have again same, but it passed all the test cases. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this. You can just pause the video and note the solution, but it was actually only 4 lines of code, so that you can just pause the video and note the solution. And thank you guys for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel. You can also watch the whole playlist of these interview questions, so you can just go in the description of this video and find that playlist link over there. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.